Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Nissan Rogue can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Begin by removing 2 push clips at the rear of the bumper using a flathead screwdriver. We can now check the weld nuts for our 2 mounting locations with a wire brush to make sure they are free from debris. We're now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend you get a second set of hands to support the hitch while you install the hardware. Begin with the driver's side hitch plate. Once you clear the tailpipe, you can now finish raising the hitch into position. You will need to gently pull the fascia to get clearance to raise the hitch, which is why we removed the trim clips to start. Once you're clear of the fascia, align the mounting locations. You can now install the hardware. Make sure the teeth of the conical tooth washer face the hitch. After installing our hardware, we've noticed a slight amount of play in the hitch, so we're going to want to push it up into position and tighten the bolts with our 19mm socket and ratchet. Once we have it in position, we'll double back with the torque wrench. With the hitch now firmly in the proper position, you can come back and torque your hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. We will link them in the description below. For my own peace of mind, I like to mark my bolts after I have torqued them, using something like a paint marker. Return your 2 fascia trim clips. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 7 inches. From the ground to the inside of the topper of the receiver is 12 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, ski carrier, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.